Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5, and today I'll show you how we can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, we're going to pull down our notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles and simply locate the power saving mode. Now if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second page, which I still don't see it. Oh, there we go. It's on the first page, power saving mode. So from here you can simply tap on it. It does dim the display just a little bit, and that's one of the things I can see that is happening. You can tap on the text itself and it will give you information on what it will do. So background network usage, syncing and location check will be limited. The motion smoothness will be changed to standard, meaning 60 frames per second or 60 hertz. So there we go. Those are this is the info on what it changed. Now the most important part that it changes is the network usage and syncing. This will refer to, for instance, your Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you experience that email fetching or notification delivery is being delayed or just takes too long for whatever reason, you know that you're supposed to be getting notification right now, but it comes like 10 minutes later or not at all till you interact with the device, then just note that this is the power saving mode, trying to save power and just limiting the usage of network and the syncing. Now, once you're done with your power saving mode, you can just locate the toggle once more, tap on it, and your device will go back to functioning normally. And with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.